Hi, and welcome. My name is Milan. I'm a marketing manager here at Vizru. And today I'm joined by our Chief Solutions Architect, Lucas Roberts, to talk about some recent developments that we've been having over at Vizru. So, Lucas, I understand that we've made some changes to our container strategy, if you wouldn't mind elaborating on that a little bit.
So early on, we migrated our entire infrastructure to run within Docker. That allowed us to be able to tell our customers, hey, don't worry about how this runs. Just worry about whether or not you can run containers. And if you can run containers, you can run Vizru, which set a really good bar and has shown us great success when we need to deploy on one server. So the new development is that we've moved towards Kubernetes. And Kubernetes is great. It's really just the development on top. We've added an orchestration layer on top of our containerization. And that allows us to run Vizru on multiple servers at the same time, but also gives us the ability to abstract away the differences between clouds. Google Cloud Platform, AWS, DigitalOcean, Linode, they all have different features that they support and different ways that they handle their firewall rules and so on and so forth. But a commonality among a lot of these cloud vendors is Kubernetes. They all support Kubernetes. So by leveraging Kubernetes, we can now run on any of these cloud vendors, no matter who it is, and we can run in a way that is familiar to the customer for the most part, because they can look into the cloud dashboards that they're used to and see what they're used to seeing. This enables us to support more cloud vendors, but also allows us to take advantage of the unique feature sets that each cloud vendor offers. And again, those feature sets are features that a customer is going to be demanding. The side effect of this is that also in circumstances where you can run in multiple regions, now, so long as your Kubernetes cluster and your databases can go across multi-regions, Vizru can run all of its containers in those multiple regions to support an entire stack. That allows you to lose connectivity between regions, but still keep your platform running without interruption. Likewise, one of the challenges whenever you're running a Kubernetes infrastructure is handling state. You really ideally want to avoid handling state. You don't want to have to store state. So one of the things that we've done or begin recommending for our production environments is that customers turn to managed Mongo, managed MySQL. So we recommend managed services as a way to kind of remove responsibility from us, but also to give clients the best performing platform that they can have. If you're trying to run at scale, there's a lot of concern that you have to take. We can focus really, really well on running Vizru, but running MongoDB is something that Mongo can handle the best for them. And what I mean by that is in running a database, you have to also think about the backup and restoration policy, as well as how you're going to scale that database horizontally. So it allows all of our customers to build no-code apps that can reach hyperscale, as well as 24 by 7, 99.9998% uptime, just by choosing the platform. The goal has always been to allow our customers to be able to choose whatever type of hosting they want. Some of our customers are in highly regulated industries, so they might only be cleared to use AWS, or they might only be cleared to use Azure for their cloud strategy. So Kubernetes really allows us to focus in on the point where all of these cloud vendors have seemed to standardize, and allows us to run Vizru on any of these cloud vendors, because the configs that we've created for Kubernetes cover 90% of what each of these cloud vendors needs.
Thank you again to Lucas for joining us in outlining these developments that we've been working on at Vizru. We're very proud of them, and as we continue to move forward and work on them. So thank you, Lucas, and we look forward to seeing you next time.
Thanks, Milan. It was great talking with you today.